जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर अर्जुन विषाद योगम 45th श्लोक। Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna, saying that, oh Krishna, what is this Krishna? With the greed for the pleasures, we are involved in this great sin. We are prepared to kill our own all relatives, Krishna. What is this going on, Krishna? How are we even thinking of doing this, Krishna? With this meaning running in our thoughts and with visualization that we are sitting in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and Krishna Paramatma is giving Gitopadesham to us directly, let us now chant the slokam. Aho bata mahat papam kartum vyavasita vayam यद्राज्य सुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनम् उद्यताः। ओम। The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing: for your greed for the pleasures, do not kill anyone, but for righteousness, to establish dharma, do not step back even to give up so many people. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna says, always think about me. Keep inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on transforming all your actions as my service and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you do like this, I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins and you will become my most beloved devotee. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, for my own pleasures, for the greed of my own pleasures, I do not kill, I do not harm anyone, but to establish dharma, to support dharma, I do not step back even to give up so many people. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on offering all my actions as your service and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep reading at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. श्रीमद्भागवतम। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमद्भागवतम। निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टू श्री सुखमहर्षि। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टू श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यास महर्षि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। Suta Maharshi telling Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Bhishma Pitamaha, before he departs from his body, he is praising and praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Krishna, on that day when Dharmaraju was doing Rajasuya Yagam, to visit that Rajasuya Yagam, there were so many great kings and sages and seers and elderly people. So many people came down to visit that Rajasuya Yagam. With all of them, Dharmaraju arranged such a huge, majestic assembly. In that assembly, O Krishna, I was observing, you were attracting everyone's eyes towards you. Nobody was able to take off eyes from you, Krishna. Like that, you were captivating everyone's minds in that assembly. And in that assembly, there comes one discussion. Who is the first one? Who is the most respected one to receive puja by Dharmaraju? When that happened, when that discussion came, you are the one, O Pundarikaksha, O Sri Krishna, you are the one who proved in that assembly that you are the first one to be worshipped by Dharmaraju. When everybody getting to see you, you proved that, and Dharmaraju did Agra Puja to you. O Krishna, that Pundarikaksha, the one who has the lotus-like wide eyes, the one who has proved in that huge, majestic assembly that I am the respected one, most respected one, that kind of Sri Krishna Paramatma, that form of Sri Krishna Paramatma should be there in my thoughts all the time. Namadilo chintintu nasrantamun. O Krishna, until I depart from this body, please do not go anywhere. Please stand right in front of me. O Krishna, now please make sure, now please bless me that I narrow down all my attention to you. I contemplate upon you only. I meditate upon only you. Krishna, please bless me with that. O Antaryami, the one who indwells in each and every entity and supports all the entities for their survival. O Srimannarayana, O Sarvantaryami, O Sri Hari, ne prardhintu suddhundanai, with all amount of purity, with all amount of sanctity, let me praise you, let me pray you. O Krishna, I surrender to you. Like this, Bhishma Pitamaha surrendering to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 45th श्लोका. अहो बत महत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्य सुखलोभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.